Welcome to Module 2.5, Functions and Scope, in JavaScript. Functions are the building blocks of your code. They allow you to define a block of code that can be executed at a later time or multiple times, with different inputs. Functions help you organize and encapsulate your code, making it more readable, maintainable, and reusable. 1. Function declaration. You can define a function in JavaScript using the function keyword followed by a function name, a list of parameters in parentheses, and a code block in curly braces. Function name parameter 1, parameter 2, function code. For example, a function that adds two numbers. Function add numbers a, b, return a plus b. 2. Function expression. A function can also be defined as an expression and assigned to a variable. These are called anonymous functions or function expressions. Const function name equals function parameter 1, parameter 2, function code. For example, an anonymous function that calculates the square of a number. Const square equals function x, return x asterisk x. 3. Arrow functions ES6. In modern JavaScript ES6 and later, you can use arrow functions for concise function expressions. Arrow functions have a shorter syntax and automatically capture the this value from their surrounding context. Const function name equals parameter 1, parameter 2 equals greater than function code. For example, an arrow function that doubles a number. Const double equals x equals greater than x asterisk 2. 4. Function invocation. To execute a function, you call it by its name and provide arguments as per its parameters. Let result equals function name argument 1, argument 2. For example, invoking the numbers function, let sum equals the numbers 5, 3, result is 8. 5. Function scope. Functions have their own scope, meaning that variables declared within a function are local to that function and not accessible from outside. This concept is known as function scope, and it helps prevent naming conflicts and encapsulate variables. 6. Global scope. Variables declared outside of any function have global scope and are accessible throughout the entire JavaScript program. 7. Closure. Functions in JavaScript can capture and remember their surrounding scope, even after they have finished executing. This concept is called a closure and is a powerful feature for maintaining state and creating private variables. For example, function counter, let count equals 0, return function, count plus plus, return count, const increment equals counter, creates a closure, console.log increment, 1, console.log increment, 2. Functions and scope are essential concepts in JavaScript, and mastering them allows you to create organized, modular, and efficient code. As you progress through your course, you'll explore more advanced topics like function parameters, return values, and how to work with functions in real-world applications.